Hello, students. How are all of you? I hope you are well. I am also well. Today I have come to teach you take question. You know that in class 19 level, take question is very much important. There are four types of questions: yes no question, WS question, tag question, embedded question. Yes no question, which ones are? Do you like it? Did they collect it? In that way. WS question, why is he coming here? Why did he collect that? Tag question, they have completed it, haven't they? We have gone there, haven't we? In this way. Embedded question, do you know where he lives? Did you see what he was doing? In that way it is embedded. So let's get started our activity today to learn tag question. Generally, what is tag question? During conversation, to confirm any statement, we have to put or make question. The question is called tag question. To to confirm any statement or any speech, we have to put or make question, that is called tag question. Such as they are working, aren't they? They are not working, are they? That means if the statement is in affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement or speech is in negative, tag will be affirmative. Such as the boys are swimming, aren't they? In this way, though some negative words are there which seems affirmative, such as scarcely, hardly, seldom, few, I will discuss those at later stage. At first I am going to discuss on exceptional ones. I have earlier told you that if the statement is in affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement is in negative, affirmative, tag will be negative. Affirmative, negative, negative, affirmative, in this way. Then subject, if the subject is male person, tag will be he. If the subject is female person, tag will be she. If the person is or thing singular, it. If the subject is plural, tag will be they. And if subject this or that is found, tag will be it. If subject these or those, tag will be they. I will show you at later stage, no problem. Just at this moment, just remember that if statement is affirmative, tag will be negative. In this way I am going to show you at first exceptional ones. So I have to take the camera in front. Such as, at first I've written here, who cares? Who cares? Tag is do they. So you can ask, how can this be? Okay, who cares? Its assertive sentence is, nobody cares. Nobody cares. That means we know that anybody, anyone, somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, each, either. If those words are found at the time, we have to put here they. I will clarify at later stage. They. That means they, here does should be, but actually they don't accept does. That's why do. That means nobody cares. Tag will be do they. Nobody, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, each, either, neither. For those subject or for those words, we have to take they. Then according to the acceptable words, they, does is not accepted with they. So they accept do. In this way it has been done. And as it is in negative, I should not write here any negative word. Just in this way, again, if I say that who does not care, its assertive is everybody, 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 everybody writes. Everybody cares. Everybody cares. That means don't they, because I have said earlier that body one, if we find these types of word, at first I have to write they, then acceptable words to be written here, such as they accepts of do, and as it is in affirmative, that should be negative. Good morning, answer is don't I. How it can be? Good morning means I wish you good morning. Just come through narration. Good morning. I wish you good morning. I wish. That means don't I. I wish present indefinite form. That's why if we find present form, do, did, does will be there. Such as he goes there. Doesn't he? We go there. Don't we? They we went there. Didn't we? They go there, don't they, in this way. Goodbye. I bait you. I beat you goodbye. Beat, bait, B-I-D, beat. I beat you goodbye. That means don't I. I am too weak to walk. Am is here, main verb. Whenever am is main verb, aren't I. Whenever am is auxiliary verb, ain't I. Such as I am writing, am here auxiliary, because after am main verb is here. I am writing, tag will be ain't I, A-I-N apostrophe T. I am fine. After am there is no verb. That means am main verb. Whenever am is main verb, aren't I. Whenever am is auxiliary verb, ain't I. I am too weak to work, aren't I. The jury gave verdict, didn't eat. Jury is a collective noun. Whenever collective noun is divided, at that time that will be they. Such as the jury were divided in their opinion. The jury got divided. The jury got divided. That means broken, a division there. At that time that will be they. If it is not broken or divided, at that time collective noun should be it. Such as the committee was fine. The committee are divided, or the committee got divided, that will be didn't they. Whenever collective noun is divided, at that time they. When collective noun is united, that will be it. Such as the jury gave verdict, there is no division, that's why didn't it. The committee got divided. The committee collective noun divided, that means they, didn't they. 8. Many a boy was present. Many a boy was present. Many weren't they. Many a boy. Rafi, not his friend. If we find two or more than noun or pronoun in subject, at the time, if we find here not, at that time we have to take the left one. We have to take left. Rafi, not his friend. Rafi, not his friends came, didn't he? One but all came, but one but all came. That means this part should be focused on. Didn't they? But me no birds, will you? It is absolutely imperative sentence. But me no birds, tag will be will you. But me no birds means I have told you, or I ask you to accompany me to go to market. You are saying that no, I have a problem, I have many works. At the time I have said that please don't show any excuse. Don't show any excuse means but me no buts. Here this but is verb, this but is noun. Though in different sections of parts of speech but is there. But is conjunction, but is relative pronoun, but is preposition, but is noun, but is verb also. Have a nice day. That means I wish you to have a nice day. Don't I? I wish. I need. If we get after need 2 plus verb, that means main verb. Don't I? If we get after need directly present form, that means that need is modal verb. That's why. Reja as well as. Reja as well as. Reja as well as, along with, together with, accompanied by. If these types of words are added with to noun or pronoun, at that time we should take left side noun or pronoun. That means Reja as well as Rina. I have covered here Reja. Didn't he? Rina is a female person or girl. That should be she. But I haven't taken it. I have taken the left side noun. As well as, along with, together with, accompanied by. At that time we should take left side noun or pronoun. But here either or, neither nor, at that time we have to take the right side noun or pronoun. Such as either Reja or Rina came, didn't she, in this way. Now I am going to show you some more things of take questions. Such as I have said earlier that some words are seems affirmative, actually they are negative, such as scarcely, 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 hardly, scarcely, hardly, seldom, seldom, few, seldom, few, little. These words are absolutely negative. So whenever we are getting these types of words, we should not put negative and later. He seldom, he seldom, he seldom comes, he seldom comes. That means tag will be does he, does he. That means it is absolutely a negative word. Negative, negative, negative. If we get such type of words, if we get such type of words, we should consider those as negative. If we find this type of word, we should not put here any negative or not what in this way. We have to go ahead. Then whenever we are getting any type of imperative sentence, that means open it, don't open it, don't open it, let me open it, let me open, that means let me open, please open, please open, please open. For those all imperative sentence, use only will you, use only will you. But in case of let's means let us or let's, for let's you should not think whatever it is affirmative or negative. Only shall we, in this way. Okay, just a target of doing tag question is to confirm any statement. Always try to think in your own way with creativity. What is tag question? During conversation, to confirm any statement, we are putting there the question. If the statement is affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, tag will be negative. But if we find here a few, if we find here a little, at that time we must do it negative. Negative, 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 negative. If we find these types of words, we should not put on other side or in tag question not. We should not use not. But if I show here he has few friends, he has few friends, he has few friends. That means has he. If I write he has a few, that means some friends are there. He has few friends, that means hasn't he, in this way. A few, not is necessary. Only few or little, not necessary. In this way think. And if I like to say that exclamatory sentence, how funny it is, how funny it is, that means tag will be isn't it, in this way just. So I hope that you have understood about tag question. Think your own way according to this rule. I have tried to cover up all things. If I say again that In tag question, if the statement is affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, tag will be affirmative. If the statement is affirmative, tag will be negative. I am again repeating, if the statement is affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, tag will be affirmative in this way. If subject is male person, he will be. If subject is female person, she will be. If subject is anything, it will be. If subject is plural, whatever it is, person, man or thing, that will be they. If subject is these or if subject is this or that, tag will be it. If subject is these or those, at that time tag will be they in this way. And if we find after subject any type of auxiliary, that auxiliary will be used in tag question. And if a statement is affirmative, that will be negative in this way, such as they are coming, aren't they must do it, mustn't they, in this way. That's all. Now if you have any question, just write on comment box. I am always ready to help you. So that's all at this moment. See you again. Bye.